Welcome back to It's a Jag. Okay, as the title suggests, don't make the same mistake I did, because this could have proved deadly. See that? What an idiotic mistake to make. As you can see, the brake pipe that I replaced was touching the wheel. It rubbed and I lost all the fluid. Luckily I didn't crash, so that's what we're going to work on now. So I've got a new brake pipe to go on, so let's get started. Let me just place this light somewhere. I think you can see, so we're going to need an 11mm for this nut. And that's going to be, yep, there we go. Cold today, I think that should turn now. They should be able to turn now with my finger. No, go on actually. Right, I'll get this brake pipe off and we'll come back. Okay, I've got the line off. Now there's a clip here which you have to get off. Just stuck. Yeah, it's just stuck. Right, let's get a screwdriver. Okay, that's off now. Place this light properly. Alright, now we need to undo this, which I think is a 15. Yep, 15mm. Okay, that's off. Oh, look at that damage. Yeah, don't make that same mistake. This is why I'm doing this video, so you don't make that mistake. So let's retrieve this nut. A nice new pipe. Now to show you, there's two ways this can fit. One is the right way, one is the wrong way. At the minute, it's the wrong way. Because if I connect it there, you can see how close it is to the wheel. That'll eventually rub. So let's do it the right way. I think it's angled, yeah. That's the way it's supposed to sit. So let's... I know there's a washer that needs to go on there, so I'm just going to do this as a test. Screw it in there. And now you see the difference? You see how it bends away from the wheel? That's the way it's supposed to be. So let me put the washer on, put it all back together, and then we'll see. And there we have it. We're done. That's better. As you can clearly see, the pipe is well away from that bloody wheel. Not sure what the torque setting is on the bolt, but it's tight enough. And next we just need to fill it back up and bleed the other side. The other side is correct. See, no problem there. And I know you're going to wonder why I've done this with the wheel on. It would have been easier with the wheel off, but I just wanted to see and make sure this time that it is well away from the wheel. And as you can see, it is. So we're going to do the bleeding next.